see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work?
Yeah.
You've towed it.
It says go fast on the grip.
Really?
That's what it
Pinalitan
says.
niya na yung grip niya, guys.
Fell off.
Daw siya eh.
Where's that core on my
Hot.
Is it that last one?
I'm just gonna... Ang aga pa, guys. Mga 6 o'clock. Alis si Jan, di na makita. So, yun. 11. Yeah, when he turn it off, I have to press that one, right? Yeah, good luck. Be careful. Good morning. Good morning. Si Jan kanina umalis na, guys. 6 o'clock. Hi, Max. Good morning. Good morning, Papa. Guys, ayan, nakapagkilay na tayo. And, na-make up ko na yung aming bed. Yung boys nandun sa park. Si Holland dito, naghihintay siya ng, what do you want, Baba?
Fruit Loops!
Fruit Loops. Gusto niyo mag Fruit Loops, guys. Magsisinangag ako eh. Wait lang, lagay ko muna kayo dito sa gilid. Magsisinangag. Kuhaan ko lang muna siya ng Fruit Loops kasi gutom na ata siya. Sabi ko magpa-fried rice ako eh.
Mom, where's the milk?
In a minute, Baba. Yung ano mo pa ko. Baba ko kayo sa...
Is
Tell
that
me when to stop. Is that enough?
a bit more? That's enough. Thanks so Mommy.
Welcome. Ito, ilalagay ko to sa mga container. Sa canister, pero wala pa nga time guys. Wala laging time. Ayan.
I ate one.
Here you go. There's the milk. Where's your brush, Baba? I'm gonna brush your hair.
I think it's still in the top. But I brushed my hair before.
Okay.
Could I have a drink, please? Orange juice?
Yes. Ayan, mag-orange juice. Good? Yung mga boys hindi pa. Sabi ko kasi magpa-fried rice ako, pero magra-ride sila ng bike eh.
I never had it for a long, long time. So good.
Ang laki ng baso namin.
Mom!
It's alright. If you want
It's
more,
mushy.
if you want more, I can give you more. But for now, that's it. Okay, labas ko na yung ipa-fried rice ko na kanin.
Mom,
Yes.
you forgot to shake it.
I did shake it.
Well, there's yucky stuff in there. Look at it.
No, it's not yet. That's the orange. O yan, dami kong ipang, dami nating rice, guys. For, 4 cups. O yan. Fried rice. Damihan ko lang na garlic.
Mommy, after this, could I help you make?
Yeah, you can still have fried rice. Okay. Wait lang guys. Guys, pinaride sa akin ni Brady yung rent niyang electric bike. Grabe, sobrang bilis. Maganda siya for a long ride. Kasi hindi ka mapapagod. Kasi nga electric siya. Magpapadal ka lang ng mga isa, dalawa. Tapos siya nang bahala kung gaano kalakas or kalakas kabilis ang gusto mo. Kasi may settings siya na fast and low. So, ang ganda doon. Tinatry ni Max yung bunso niyang anak. Maganda siya. So, anyway, mag-ano na ako, guys. Mag-fried rice na tayo. Fried rice na ako. Hiwa tayo ng garlic. And, mag-ano ako, guys. Mag-live ulit tayo sa Facebook. Follow me sa Facebook, guys. ChonaAndMyKids. Mag-live tayo doon. Wait lang. Magluto ako ng biko. Okay, wait lang. Timelapse ko kayo, ha? Kasi yung biko, gustong-gusto nilang kagabi. So, magluto ulit ako ng biko. Ayan, tapos na siya. Drink na milk, Baba. Okay? Good girl. Umiiyak siya kasi hindi siya pwedeng sumama dun sa pupunta ng mga boys tsaka ni Bride kasi medyo malayo. Mag-scooter lang. And wala siyang helmet. And you don't have helmet, Baba. That's why next time, always bring your helmet kasi hindi naman talaga namin planong bumili ng scooter nila. Kaya hindi talaga dinala yung kanilang helmet. It's alright, come on, help mommy. Can you press this for mommy? Sabi ko, tulungan niya na ako magluto. Can you press this one first? Oh, harder please. Okay, press the red one. Tadaan! Okay, we have to wait, okay? Okay. Yan yung aking sticky rice. Okay. Do you wanna draw first? I'm just gonna cut the garlic, okay? And then we're gonna go outside and cook, okay? Okay. Tapos na siya. Can you drink this, Baba? Sayang eh. I'll get your book, okay? Naiwan siya. Gusto saan siyang isama ni Sak. Ikaso, hindi naman pwede. Kuya Sak wants you to come, right, Baba? Pero hindi nga pwede kasi malayo. It's alright, Baba. Kunin na lang natin yung kanyang activity book. Tapos, andito yung crayons. Do you want Easter egg, Baba? Okay. Alright. Here you go, baby ko. Okay, you draw there, okay? Ayan, okay na siya. Hindi siya okay, pero at least magiging busy siya. Okay, magluto muna ako, guys. Naka-live tayo sa Facebook, guys. Ayan, nahiwa ko na yung garlic. And nadurog ko na rin. Ano ko na yung kanin. Na paghiwa-hiwalay. So, bababa na tayo. Dito yung asin. Maghiwa na rin ako ng kamatis tsaka sibuyas para sa aking corned beef. So, ayan. Nahiwa ko na yung ating sibuyas, kamatis tsaka bawang. Kunin natin yung corned beef. Kunin ko pa yung corned beef. Where's the corned beef? Here. Here you go. Corned beef.
I finished this one, but I don't want to do that much.
Okay, ibaba ko na to. So, andito na yung ating mga lulutuin. Mayroon tayong bacon, eggs, tapos yung corned beef, yung rice, and eto yung ating paglulutuan. So, i-timelapse ko kayo, guys, ha? Ha?
I already know how to cook fried rice because I done it on Chona's kitchen, remember?
Yes, I know you
You
did.
put that, and that.
No, just the bawang.
Oh, bawang?
Yeah, just the bawang.
Oh, yeah.
That was different one. That was, Thai.
Bubbling.
Is it bubbling now?
Yeah. It's getting hot.
It's getting hot. Let me see. Okay, is it hot now? Good job. Okay.
Shell.
The shell? Okay, I'll do it. Good job. Okay, put on the side. It's alright.
We're just seeing if there's any shells.
There's no shells. Okay, get another one.
Oh, what my hands first.
Yeah. You're cooking breakfast for us? Okay, that side. Yeah.
Too much.
Good job. Okay.
Another one?
Is there any space? Okay. One more. Ivy is watching you. Ivy wants to learn, Baba. Good job. Okay, that's for now. Thank you. So, ayan na yung eggs and bacon. Si Holly ang nag-crack ng eggs. Luto ko na yung eggs, yung bacon. Si Brody and Ivy, nag-ride ulit sila ng bike kasi isasauli nila yung bike kasi 3 hours lang yung rent nun. So, nag-ride lang sila din. Pagbalik nila, ibabalik na nila yung diretso na nilang ibabalik yung bike. May pinuntahan lang sila, then ibabalik yung bike, then balik sila dito. So, yan yung bacon. And kumuha ko ng isa pang corned beef para dalawa ang ating lulutuin. Siya magluto ng sibuyas. Corned beef na yung next namin. And tinanggal ko dyan yung corned beef kasi nilagay ko yung excess oil from the fat ng bacon. Ayun siya, oh. Nakalive pa rin kayo sa Facebook. Ito na yung last kong niluluto, yung ating corned beef. Yung bacon, ayan, yung egg, ito. Ilagay ko na sila sa loob. So, ayan yung breakfast. Hindi na to breakfast, guys. Brunch na to. Kasi na? 11:44. So, meron tayong corned beef, eggs, bacon, and fried rice. And luto na rin pala yung aking sticky rice. Ayan, dinamihan ko na. Dito na si John. Ayan na si Johnny Boy. Kararating lang nila. Ayan. Ayan si Kuya. No, not here. We're going outside to eat.
Yeah.
You win, Han?
2.
Okay. Do you want something?
Bread and that?
Yeah.
Daddy, you're having fried rice.
Not them rolls. Bread.
That one.
Dad, can we leave Sunday? No!
No, you can't.
Okay. Daddy has a charter. Ito na yung mga bata. Lagyan ko na sila sa plato nila.
We'll just have some bread. We'll just have bread sandwiches and eggs and bacon.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna give some for the kids first time because they've been waiting.
Mum, I'm just having corned beef
Yeah, and
with the egg and bacon, please.
okay,
Bacon.
bacon.
Mine first. Mine was cooked, isn't it?
Huh?
Mine cooked.
Yeah, your egg is cooked. Where's my Stand up po kayo guys, mauubos na naman yung ating memory card.
No, I'm not having fried rice.
You're not having fried rice? Oh, what do you want?
I just want egg, corned beef, and bacon.
No, you have to have rice, Zach.
Is it plain?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll have plain then.
I know plain, just garlic.
Next time you have to make mine.
Yeah, gusto kasi ni Zach ang kanyang
That's enough.
fried rice ay may veggies. This is your egg that cook.
It's a small bit. You can get the yolk because it looks easy to get out.
Ayaw niya rin ng yolk.
You can have it now.
Yeah.
You can have it.
So I'm just gonna give you a little bit of rice.
That's it.
Just, okay. Ayan, so time-lapse ko kayo guys. So maubos ang memory card ko.
Look at Mum. Why 2 bacon?
Si Jan, gusto niya bread, bacon, and egg. So iba-butter natin yan. Kunin ko lang yung ating butter. Yeah, wait kuya, I'll give yours in a minute. I'm just gonna butter daddy's bread first. Init na dito. Hubarin na natin to.
Are you hot?
Yeah. Malamig sa labas kasi mahangin. Eto kay Jan to, binabutter ko na yung kanyang bread.
Mum.
How do you want cheese, babe? Okay, cheese. Okay.
Mum, you know what egg I'm having? The good ones. I'm having that egg right there. Here. The rock. The marine. Oh, it doesn't matter. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We ride in our scooters. 14, 15, 16, Dad, we ride in our scooters. Plenty of food. Dad, we ride our scooters.
Sauce.
Hi, Holly.
I don't think so. This is
Puppies. Like a puppy in their wings.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
It's alright. It's been shaking. Careful, Baba, huh?
Ah.
Twinkle bub.
Yeah.
Nice and warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, always nice and warm.
Yeah, and I have a little cubby in my bed.
Huh, this is gonna be runny, okay?
Yeah.
The rug hanging down. Yes.
The runny eggs will always let you know.
So you want me to keep doing that thing? It will always
No,
do
not
it.
quite.
Dad, I have a cubby in my bed because Holly's thing fell down. Holly, here's your plate. Because dirty Zachary's mouth has been on that.
I'm not
Okay.
having a food.
Ito yung sa adult.
Mom.
You done? How is
Yeah.
it?
Good.
Good?
Holly can have that.
I'm not having that plate.
So yan kay Johnny Boy and kay Ben. Ito kay John muna or kay Ben. Bala sila kung
No, I'm
kanina.
not having that plate. His mouth
Oh,
is
yeah?
on it like.
So yan sa kanila, guys. Here you go, Bab. You need plate? Yeah,
Yeah,
small
you-
one.
Give Zach.
Give that to Willow.
This is Willow. Okay. For Ben. Okay. Wait, Daddy first because they're hungry, Kuya.
Right.
Umalis sila kanila mga 6.
Because
But
they've
I'm
been
more walking
golfing.
than him.
Yeah, they play golf.
We've done more walking than him. He didn't do any walking.
Hey,
You!
I walked all
Hey,
to the car.
How many holes
Yeah,
did you
that's
have?
it.
18?
No.
How many holes
I
did
know.
you
that was quick.
I know. I'm mucking around, mate. We'll finish by what? Was it 10:30 or 11 or something? 11 o'clock.
But you got, wasn't it a 45-minute drive?
No, only 25 minutes.
You got here. I was awake.
I've seen you, mate.
Yeah. Did you see?
Go back to sleep?
Yeah.
No, Dad, did you see a window open down the bottom?
No.
I heard you talking loud.
Where?
Yeah,
I saw you.
Yeah. Why were you loud? And why didn't you shut them?
I forgot.
Wait. I couldn't go back to sleep when I saw your car. Dang.
Baba, stop touching the...
When do we have? What time are we going mini golf?
$20.
What time?
25
But
bucks.
Dad, that mini golf is the bad one. That it's got obstacles everywhere.
That's right. It's the name
No.
of the game, mate.
No, but that one.
Are you fine?
That, I thought there was a better one. I thought there was a better one. No, my partner's the best.
Double cheese.
I can.
This is just a
I
cheese.
bet Dad.
So yan kay Johnny Boy.
Mate.
No, look. No, what was it? Ballarat.
We
Yeah,
can't-
Ballarat. I
we
bet.
can't-
Dad, I bet you at Ballarat.
Here you go, Bab.
Remember?
Dad, I bet you at Ballarat.
Welcome. Okay. Si Kuya naman. Time-lapse na kayo, guys. Saga.
That our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
So, ito kay Kuya TJ. Kanya pa siya naghihintay. Welcome. Careful. Who's next? Yeah, okay.
I want
Okay.
this
Yeah, okay.
this one. And
Yes, bye-bye. Okay. Yes, okay, okay.
just a little bit of fried rice.
Okay. So, eto kay Holly. Okay, go down, Baba. Okay. Where you gonna sit? Oh, move your chair next to Daddy. Ay, si Kuya, oh. Move your chair next to Daddy. Okay. So, kain na sila.
Yeah, let's put rice on my steak.
Oh, come on, hurry up.
Dad,
It's alright, Baba. Come on.
thank you.
Welcome. Careful.
Yeah.
Yan sila kain ako. Siniban ko si Ivy tsaka si Brody. Ako din kakain din ako kasi ayun may corned beef. Dinamihan talaga yung corned beef guys kasi masarap yan sa bread. Pag may tira bukas, ipalamang ko yan sa bread. Kain na rin ako. Eto kainin ko tong egg. Eto kay Sak. Eto kay Ivy and Brody. And then yan sa kanila na yan na egg, bacon. Tapos kung gusto nilang corned beef, pwede din. And fried rice. Ah, your spoon? Give this to Holy Hand, please. Thank you. Ang dami na naman nating hugasan. Hindi pa tayo nakakasubo. Hindi pa nga ako nakakalagay ng rice. Andito na si Kuya. More rice.
Yes, please.
Favorite to ni Kuya. This is your favorite garlic rice, right?
Yeah.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay. Stop.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, kain na rin ako. Maglagay na rin tayo ng rice. Okay, kain muna ako guys ha. Bukas guys, makakaupo na rin ako at makakakain. Mayroon tayong grapes. Wala pa si Ivy at si Brody. Ayan yung food nila. Initin na lang yan mamaya sa microwave. Akin, ininit ko. Kasi lumamig na siya guys. So, kain muna ako. So, kain tayo guys. Dami ko na naman nahugasan. Kayo ba guys? Pag kumakain kayo, inuulam nyo ba yung mangga o kaya grapes? Ako, oo. Pag ganito, inuulam. Sarap. First time ko, hindi pala first time. Kumain na pala ako dito ng yung Vietnamese ng rice. First time ko kumain dito sa Caravan. Sa loob ng Caravan. Sarap. Sarap. Sabayan ng grapes. Try nyo, masarap. Kung may mangga sana, wala tayong mangga eh. Mga bata, nasa park na. Yun naman talaga, ano nila, buhay nila dito sa Caravan. Kain, laro. Sarap. Ipili natin yung SD card, guys. Guys, tapos na akong kumain. And kung maalala nyo kahapon, na-find out namin yung aming PowerPoint hindi gumagana, diba? Then, tumawag si Jan sa company, pero wala kaming narinig. Walang return calls. Tapos ngayon, tumawag ulit si Jan. Sinabihan ni Jan na, yun nga, something wrong sa PowerPoint. And then, sabi ni Jan, meron siyang kinausap na mag-aayos. Ang sabi naman ng company, dalhin nyo na lang dito sa amin. Tapos sabi ni Jan, hindi naman pwedeng dalhin ko kasi 5 hours, kunwari ba, 5 hours drive ako para lang ayusin yung PowerPoint. So sabi ni Jan, ipapa-fix ko dito, babayaran ko, pero i-cover nyo yung bayad. Tapos sabi niya, okay, as long as may written daw. Sabi, okay, picturean daw. So nandito na, ayan yung nag-fix sa mga banyo dito kahapon. May pinifix sila na electrical sa bathroom. Eh nakita ni Jan, akala ko nga pinadala ng company. Sabi ni Jan, ang bilis naman kung pinadala. Ayan. Yeah, they are here. So ayan, papalitan yan. Tapos yung kung magkano siya abutin, ipapadala namin sa company nito. Kasi extra kaya yan, extra. Nandito na sila, bro. Initin ko na yung food nila. Hindi ko pala mainit yung food nila kasi pinatay niya dyan yung power dito sa Caravan kasi nga i-fix doon. Okay, ilagay ko na lang sa plato tapos doon na lang nila initin sa microwave nila sa Caravan nila ba. So ito yung food nila, i-deliver ko to doon sa kanilang Caravan. Doon na lang nila initin and nilagyan ko din sila ng grapes. So yan yung kanilang brunch na to guys. Ayan. Wala pa si Holly talaga. Wala pa sila. Ayan na yung food. Nalagay ko na sa, ano nila, sa plate. So, maghugas muna ako. Ay, wala palang hot water. Mamahiyap. Kasi, ayan guys, so, pinifix. Pinalitan. Pinalitan. Yeah, it's cold. Ayan na. Kararating lang din nila. Nandito na sila. So, ibigay ko na to sa kanila. Yan yung kanilang pagkain. Naubos ni Ivy. Nice, Ivy! Nagusto nila yung corned beef natin na pure foods. Ubos, oh.
Every day you're making me better. 'Cause
love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never